Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your Lenovo K6, open Play Store, tap on Search Pool and type green Apple keyboard. We have to use this application from Arvin apps, so let's install right now. Right now we can open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK, go back, and tap to switch input methods. Then switch to this one. Click Finish. And take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. Let me just skip this stuff, and it looks very close to the iOS theme. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.